Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school every day.
What time do you start school?
I start school at 8 o'clock.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have a lot of homework today.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Smith.
Do you like your school?
Yes, my school is very nice.
Where is your school?
My school is near my house.
Do you have a best friend at school?
Yes, my best friend is Sarah.
What do you do at school?
I study and play with my friends.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, I eat lunch in the cafeteria.
What do you bring to school?
I bring my books, notebook, and pencil.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading storybooks at school.
When do you finish school?
I finish school at 3 o'clock.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework and play games.